Doctor, I've had this dry cough for 3 weeks.
Then what did you take for the dry cough?
Ginger, honey, turmeric, clove, cardamom,
Oh,
and many more.
great. Then you are on the way to make a biryani masala now. See, if your dry cough is lasting more than 2 to 3 weeks, that means something is going inside. So it can be because of your reflux disease, it can be because of your allergic rhinitis or sinusitis, or it can be because of your allergic asthma. So if your cough lasts more than 3 weeks, stop guessing and start testing.